we're all family, the Fire-Dex family, and it doesn't feel like work when you come here.
We're very, very big family people. We've always been extremely close, and I like to think that we treat everybody as they're part of our family.
But is it really true? Can you honestly say it's true? But then you see our videos that we make, and you'll see them on Facebook, and you'll see them on Instagram, and then you'll see them on LinkedIn. But then you don't really know if it's true until something really happens. And all I can say is that I know 100% that this is definitely a family, because we always talk about we are family, and I can honestly say this is truly a family.
That's something that's very important to me and to Fire-Dex. We always say the Fire-Dex family, and that's been in effect long before Taylor and I joined. So I know that my dad has really instilled that in the company, and that is certainly something that we want to make sure that we continue and carry that on.
So our Fire-Dex family, we say that a lot, but it is true. Everybody gets along, we're there for each other through ups and downs, personal, through work. Everybody is there to help.
And it's just fun to be here, it's fun to work, it's just a fun job.